Okay, so we're here today to talk about the SCHILLER Touch 7. So we're going to give you a basic layout of the device. Let's start with the pouches first. So we're going to start with the left-hand pouch. So the left pouch, non-invasive blood pressure and temperature. So temperature port here, non-invasive blood pressure. There's also an option for an invasive blood pressure port as well. Right-hand pouch, ECG cable and SpO2. So again, your connectors there. There's your SpO2, ECG. There's also an option for capnography. Capnography is done through Masimo as well as the SpO2. Masimo we have not seen in EMS as of yet, but by all accounts it is solid technology. So I believe the Untitled adapter would go, or the Untitled module would go here. They do offer rainbow parameters for Masimo, so they offer SpO2, SpCO, and SpMet on this device. Moving to the front of the device, it is a touchscreen display. So once the screen illuminates, I can touch the screen, navigate through different menus. There are a couple of buttons on the very bottom, display mode, power button, shock button. So a couple different buttons to navigate, but most of the interaction is done with the touchscreen. In terms of your electrical therapies, this one's a little bit different. Your therapy cable actually mounts here or plugs in here. This is the cable for CPR feedback, which is done through the Argus LifePoint Pro. So force gauge, similar to the Tempest device. And then micro USB for data offload. Turning to the back of the device. So rear of the device, 2 batteries. Primary battery is up here. So this one is removable. Second battery is here. It's a smaller battery. And it's really just designed to power the device while the primary battery is being replaced. Charging is done through a charging bracket and cable. So here is the mounting bracket. And this can be secured in the station or in a vehicle. Power supply is attached to there, and then just a standard power cable. So in addition to SpO2 with the advanced parameters, capnography, 12 lead EKG, non-invasive blood pressure, invasive blood pressure, this does have wireless communication. So it does have built-in Bluetooth, built-in Wi-Fi, and has the option for a 3G GSM cell card. So to date, there's no evidence that they have 4G capability. All the literature says 3G GSM card. So as the cellular data network evolves, we're not sure what they'll do to address that, but as it stands today, there is an option for embedded cellular. All right, so one thing you'll notice that this device does not have is a printer. So there's no integrated printer into the device. Printing is done as an add-on through a Bluetooth printer, which we do not have that module. So I'll be unable to do any printing today, but there is a print feature available, just not integrated into the device.